Hello Indian everyone and welcome back to my collection. My name is Eldritch and today we're going to be taking another look at the Kamen Rider Geats collection, but this time just one buckle real fast. It is going to be the Fever Slots buckle. So let's go ahead and slot it on and see what happens. Whoops, maybe get it into the slot first. Did not read, that's great. There she goes. Not bad. So we'll run its finisher real fast.
Golden Fever victory!
And yeah, it will just randomly land somewhere else. Oops. There we go. So now let's try for another one. But first, let's actually take a little bit of a look at the buckle. Something I hadn't been doing because I'm a little airheaded sometimes. The handle is made in the same kind of, not completely clear, but like a more opaque, glittery yellow plastic. More of a gold, pearly gold on the knob for some reason. The same back here. Same kind of plastic as this. I think it's the same here as well. And of course we have your little knob. Switch through, you have Magnum, Zombie, Ninja, Monster, and Beat. Your main ones. Last time we got Ninja, so I'll just force them through. There we go. Oh, we got Monster. I'm pretty sure all the finishers are the same. So we'll just go ahead and cycle through all the rest of these. We have Ninja and Monster down.
Beat.
We just have Magnum left.
Magnum.
Alrighty. So that is all of the sound effects. Oh no, wait, I forgot. You can still get Mystery. I had almost forgotten about that one. So, now, that is all of the sounds that we can get from the Golden Fever Victory Slots raise buckle. If you've enjoyed this video, please do leave a like, comment down below if you picked this up back when it was out, or if you would even pick it up now. Honestly, it is kind of fun. You can make a combination. I didn't do this in the other video because I kind of forgot. I don't know why it did a finisher, but it also called out a finisher. Anyway, oops. So that would be Buffa's Jamato victory form. Why did that open back up again? Anyway, so if you've enjoyed this video at all, please do leave a like, comment down below. I already did all that, didn't I? I'm so dumb. Anyway, with all that being said, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, evening, afternoon, or night, depending on when you may be watching this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!